Hi everyone, I am Anna. Hope you are ready for Happy Halloween. Today we will continue spectacular Halloween decorations. The next project we will be making is a creepy book that can be used for candy treats. Let's add a little mystery and frightening beauty to our book. So let's begin. I take the all-purpose compound. I bought it at Home Depot. I will use this as a texture paste. And of course my assistant came. She loves all my projects and likes to be part of it. With the palette knife, I put the paste on the box in the form of book that I bought in a Dollar Tree. I covered all three sides of the box. These will be future pages. I wanted to add this texture to look like real pages, and I like this effect. We will make the texture of pages with the help of such a comb. I use this tool, I just got used to using it, but this technique works great with a regular hairbrush. The next stage I will use part of skeleton that I also bought in Dollar Tree. I love budget projects. I glue them and I leave to dry. Next stage, I will make eyes out from these marbles. I take a permanent black marker and make pupils. Then I cover the entire surface with gold paint. The next step, we need regular paper towels. I split it out into 2 layers, and we will use 1 layer. I cover the surface with glue that it was wet enough. And I apply a layer of paper towel so that it gets a little wet. And I begin to form such folds similar to a leather binding. I think it adds a bit of mystery. I help with a brush because I can get everywhere with my finger. And sometimes I add glue. And in the same way, I repeat the stage on the back of the box. I must say I really like the process. Turns out you're doing some kind of sculpture. It's a very pleasant feeling. Next stage. I bought these foam beads in Dollar Tree and I will use them for my project. And again, I cover everything with glue. Then start to put them on top in a random order. And after that, I also cover with a layer of napkins. These balls give us a very interesting effect. I take a brush and start to press inside, making the texture of all binding over the entire surface. More folds, more interesting texture. Sometimes I remove it a little, as if it were a torn edge. If necessary, add in glue and continue the process. Here is the next stage. Eyes have dried up, so they turned out very cute. I glue them. I take a piece of napkin. I want to get the effect so that the eyes looks like they are looking out from somewhere. It's such a mystique of mystery. I glue it the same way. Here I needed a little more glue. Well, it's dried up. I take black paint and cover all surface. And again, Sonia came to help, give the right advice, but most of all, of course, she wants to become a YouTube star. The next step, I take gold paint and with light movements, I begin to revive our texture. Just do not completely paint over the top, lightly touch with a semi-dry brush. It's so one of my favorites. The result is very mesmerizing immediately, as if some mysterious things come out from the darkness. And I also bought these stickers in Dollar Tree. I decided to add a little vintage, glue it, and add a little gold paint, making strokes. I decided to paint these pages in completely gold. And that's it. It's time to enjoy the results. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button below and subscribe. And see the continuation.